Hi, my name is Min, and today we will be unboxing the Juniper AP34. For more information, check out the library at ainetworking.club, and please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. The Juniper AP34 is a mid-tier Wi-Fi 6E access point that is suited for faster and more reliable Wi-Fi experiences. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Here you have the link to the online installation guide, the AP, and a universal mounting bracket. There is nothing else in the box. On the front of the AP, you can see the Juniper Mist logo and the LED status light. On the back of the AP, you can find a reset button. You will need a pin to reach it in case you ever need to use it. Next to it, you can see a USB port that can be used to connect to third-party IoT accessories. Here is the Ethernet port that is used to uplink to the network and to power up the access point using PoE+, and is also capable of supporting up to 5 GB data rate. Just below the ports is a label with your MAC address, serial number, claim code, and QR code. You can claim the AP by manually entering the claim code in the Juniper Mist dashboard, or you can claim the AP by scanning the QR code using the Mist AI mobile app. There is nothing on the other sides of the AP. The AP comes with a universal mounting bracket, which works with most ceiling mount scenarios. Other mounting bracket options can be ordered separately. Check out our Mist AP indoor mounting brackets video for more details. And there you have it. For more information, check out the library at ainetworking.club, and please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching.